Behind every secret lies a story that was never meant to be heard.
And behind every closed door lies a truth that they want to bury.
From hidden files to silenced voices.
From whispers in the dark to truths that demand the light.
This is not a story, it's an investigation.
A mission to uncover what they didn't want you to know. This is Area 51, the unexplained.
Join us every week as we peel back the layers
And expose the secrets that shook the world.
Area 51, the unexplained, because the world deserves to know.
See you on Fridays of every month.